In this video, I'll be showing you how to embroider eyes on your amigurumi. Hi, I'm Nicole Chase and welcome to my channel. I design fun and colorful amigurumi crochet patterns that are great for any skill level. In this video, I'll be showing you how to embroider eyes on your amigurumi crochet projects. To embroider these eyes, you'll just need black yarn and white yarn, as well as a yarn needle and scissors. Let's get started. Here you can see I have where I want the eyes to be placed with stitch markers. So I'm going to first remove one stitch marker, and with black yarn I'm going to create the base of the eye. So I'm going to make sure that this is where I want the eye to go, and then I'm just going to wrap that black yarn around a few times. Okay, that was 4 wraps around. And now I'm going to take my yarn needle off of the black yarn, but leave the black yarn attached exactly where it is. And I'm going to take my white yarn and create an outline. So what I'm going to be doing here is just outlining this side of the eye. And I'm going to push my yarn over here towards the middle so I can use it for the other eye. So there we have the white outline. And next I'm going to go ahead and reattach my yarn needle back to this black yarn. And the black yarn is just going to create a line down here just to finish off that eye. So we're going about a half a stitch over. I think I want to make that a little bit bigger. Okay, and so I am happy with that. So I'm going to take this black yarn and feed it back down to the bottom. And then I'm going to take these 2 black yarn tails and tie them together. And then secure the ends inside. And we're going to do the same for this side. So again, using the black yarn, we'll start by creating the base of the eye. And you want to make sure that the 2 eyes are symmetrical, so it's always good to double check your placement. And again, I'm going to wrap the yarn around 4 times, just like I did for the other eye. And again, going to let that black yarn hang down while I do the white outline. And the white yarn I'm going to feed back to that first eye so I can secure those ends together. Then I'm going to secure the two ends of white yarn together. And hide the ends inside. And finally, I'm going to finish off this eye with the black yarn. And when you're happy with that eye, you can again tie the two black yarn tails together. And hide the ends inside. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.